In this video, we are going to see how to create magical flower in Illustrator like this. So let's get started. Create a new document and height and width 500 pixels. Then hit create button. Then first we are going to create gradient color palette. So choose the elliptical tool. Then remove the stroke. Then choose the gradient. Then choose the radial. Then 0 point white, then 100 white, then create a middle point, then choose the magenta color, then set the position to 75%, then just duplicate this color gradient, then change the magenta color to cyan. We are done the gradient color palette. Then choose the star tool, then radius 80 pixel, radius 250 pixel, then points 15, then hit OK, then resize the star, then choose the direct selection tool and round the corners, then go to edit, copy, then paste in front, then scale it down and just pick the magenta color gradient, then choose the both of them, then go to object, blend and make it, then go to object, blend and blend option, choose specified steps and hit 15 points or anything. Then go to effect, distort and transform, fucker and float, then increase the fucker points, then hit OK, then go to again effect and distort and transform and choose the rough one, then just reduce the detail to 0 and choose smooth and increase the size. You will get the magical flower like this. Once you satisfied, hit OK. If you want any color, you can apply it and just use. Thanks for watching.